Peace, how's everybody doing? It's your boy Serrano, welcome back to another video. And I recently have picked up the LG K50s, and what I did notice about this device is that it is really nice so far. I've got a lot of good things to say about it. It has really nice processing as far as the GPU goes, and overall UI. It runs really nicely on here. But what I wanted to share with you guys was something that came up in the settings up in this device, which was pretty cool to see. So what you have to do is just go to General right here, and you can go to your Update Center. And when you go into your software updates, you're gonna also see something for June 2020. So this is the latest update for this device, and what I usually do is connect to Wi-Fi to get it started. And it'll tell you right here that update to the latest software, and you can actually click and connect to the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, and then just click this button right here. So we're gonna download that software, and then when it's finished updating, I'll keep you guys informed. Okay guys, so the LG K50s is just about finished upgrading, and then we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the new security software. Alright guys, so I am completely finished updating the software. Here you can see it's finishing the update as well. So it's a little dim here. Let me just unlock the phone. Okay, so now the phone is unlocked, and it's currently being updated to the latest OS security software on Android 9. So let's go ahead and just check out the newest security software. And I believe this phone will get Android 10. I did read an article stating that it would later in the last part of the year. So let's just see if there's anything else in here. I do notice that they have a software update here. It says continue right here, updating the software. So I guess that's still being completed. Let's see, software results are being sent to the surfer as well. Alright guys, so this is the message that comes up on the screen when it's all said and done. The software has been successfully updated, and it says what's new, the phone's usability and functionality has been further improved. And then it says you may receive notification whenever new software is available. So now you don't see that anymore. But let's just click that again, because maybe there's a newer one, but I doubt it. So right now you could just check that, but this says you're on the latest software version for current OS, which is Pi on this software version. So I'm loving it. I really like this device so far. It's offering a lot of cool features as well. The cameras are nice for the price of this device that it's offering, as well as the performance. I haven't had any issues with it. It's supposed to get Android 10 in the last part of the year, the fourth quarter. So I will keep you guys up to date as soon as I know something has improved or changed. But overall, you can see this device looks really nice, guys. It's offering a lot of cool features for you. Wait, what's this? Default screen? Oh, okay, that's cool. But yeah guys, so I definitely would recommend this phone for about $160 right now currently, but it's supposed to be available for any carrier that's GSM unlocked, since it's the unlocked version. But if you want to check out my gaming test and review after 2 weeks, as well as my unboxing, you could also take a look at those videos as well. But hopefully you did find this update helpful for the LG K50s and everything like that. I definitely would recommend this phone, and I'm definitely going to make more videos on it. So make sure you hit the bell icon if you haven't already done so you can get notified whenever a new video hits the channel. But again, it's your boy Serrano. I'll check you guys out on the next video, but in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, and evening. And depending on where you are, make sure you have a wonderful afternoon, evening, morning, and good night, depending on whenever you're seeing this video. But I'll check you guys later.